Advanced Orthomolecular Research AOR, Mastica Chios, 400 mg, 120 vegetarian capsules. Product Overview Description. Supports gastrointestinal health. Premium vegan non-GMO gluten-free dietary supplement. GMP Manufacturing. Quality assured independent testing. Discussion. Mastica Chios is mastic gum, the resinous extract of the mastic tree, Pistacia lentiscus, grown on the Greek island of Chios. It is traditionally used in Ayurveda for gastric support. Suggested use. Take 1 capsule 3 times daily on an empty stomach, or as directed by a qualified healthcare practitioner. Other ingredients: microcrystalline cellulose, capsule, hypromellose and purified water, and sodium stearyl fumarate. AOR guarantees that all ingredients have been listed on the label. Made without wheat, gluten, corn, nuts, peanuts, sesame seeds, sulfites, mustard, soy, dairy, eggs, fish, shellfish or any animal byproduct. Warnings. Caution: do not use if pregnant or breastfeeding. If you have an allergy to Anacardiaceae family plants, e.g. pistachios. Discontinue. Hypersensitivity, e.g. allergy, occurs. For occasional use only. Consult a healthcare practitioner for use beyond 2 weeks. If symptoms persist, worsen. If you have diabetes mellitus or Crohn's disease or are taking hypoglycemic or hypolipidemic agents. Do not use if safety seal is broken. Store tightly sealed in a cool, dry place. Disclaimer. While Ayurveda strives to ensure the accuracy of its product images and information, some manufacturing changes to packaging and/or ingredients may be pending update on our site. Although items may occasionally ship with alternate packaging, freshness is always guaranteed. We recommend that you read labels, warnings and directions of all products before use and not rely solely on the information provided by Ayurveda.